Hi guys, Kitten here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a wombat. Very cute and simple wombat. As you see, I already have a sketch done out of a very simple wombat with not much going on for it. I use a small circle for the head and a bigger one for the body, and then the legs are just sort of square shapes at the bottom of the body, and then a sort of semicircle for the other foot, and it also has nice little triangular claws. Also, the ears are just very simple triangles at the top. The eyes are circles, and the nose is the big square oval shape. Sorry, but I had to keep this in. Nimbus was bothering me while I was trying to record. Alright, so I've rubbed out the ears because I didn't like what they looked like, and I'm going to redo them with a bit more character to them. I've made them, rather than just some sharp triangles, I've made them a bit more rounder. With the ear, I was trying to go for a sort of sideways look, like when a cat's uncomfortable, but I decided I didn't like it. I did change it, but later on. So with the first ear, I did put a smaller triangle into it, but it did not look right, so I changed it up again. As you can see there, I've changed it so it was still on the side, but in the end I ended up making sure there was still a bit of strip of ear on the outside. I made him a bit angry because wombats in real life, they're not the nicest of animals. Also, I decided to give him a bit of a grumpy face to go with his angry eyes. I wasn't happy with the claws, so I decided to rub them out and redo them. I left the back claws. They didn't look too bad to me, and I sort of wanted to replicate them at the front. I did fix up the left leg a few times. The shape of it kept bothering me. I decided with the right foot, I was going to make it sort of look like it was standing up, and with the other foot I was going to just put them like they were flat on the ground. I did the claws on the left foot a few times. I didn't like the way they looked. I ended up curving the bottom of the foot. What we're going to do now is make little pieces of hair sticking out from the side of the head, making it a lot more scruffier, because usually when animals get angry they get all scruffy and fluffed up. We're also going to do that to the side of the leg. Also on the back of the leg, We'll put a bit of fur on the chest as well. And onto the other leg. Also putting some fur on the back leg. And then we will go and put some fur on the back of the wombat as well. I decided to use black Sharpie for the outline of the wombat, and then with the smaller pieces like the claws, the eyes, the nose and the mouth, I went over in a smaller fine liner. You could leave your wombat at that with just the outline, but I decided to go over in color. Wombats are usually brown, but I decided to go with red. It suits his angry attitude that he has. I'd use pink for the ears, but I decided to go with a peach color as it contrasts better. The claws are in black, as well as the eyes, and the nose is brown. And there you have a cute, simple way to draw a wombat.